CEOs aren't time blocking just to get more done. They time block to protect their thinking. Whether you're a small business owner wearing multiple hats, one of which is the CEO hat, or if your time is spent fully on CEO work, you need to time block for thinking time. So this is video 4 in the Time Blocking If You Want Your Life Back series. And here's a quick reminder of what we're talking about. Time blocking is where you divide your day into specific time slots and assign each block a job. Or as Cal Newport puts it, you give every minute of the day a job. Previous videos went over elements that, when missing, ruin time blocking. We also covered the need to time block recovery time following the 3.3 rule, which is designed to protect your focus time. And then we covered how to take your to-do list and time block it, which shows how time blocking helps limit how reactive you are. Done wrong, time blocking can feel like it's just about squeezing more work into your day. It isn't. It's about getting more done during the day so you have time for life after work. So far, we've covered areas of time blocking to benefit anyone, regardless of their job responsibilities. This video is focused on those that are specifically in leadership roles, roles that require more decision making, roles that carry the weight that your decision can affect the whole company. So it would be better, if those decisions were good ones. Those who haven't been in a leadership position have no idea the burden that comes with those responsibilities. And once you step into it, something changes. Well, some things should change. Your value is no longer in how much you personally produce. It's now found in the quality of decisions you make. And people seem to underestimate how much energy and focus decision making takes. When you don't protect your thinking with time blocking, you have a tendency to choose the faster option instead of the better one. You avoid hard decisions because you're tired, and you end up choosing the urgent tasks, whether they're important or not. This is why CEOs obsess over their calendars. They know that once decision quality goes down, everything else is going to follow. Time blocking, when done correctly, breaks that pattern by protecting your time to make decisions on your vision, the company strategy, system improvement, all the things that elevate your business. As they say, a rising tide lifts all boats. Your decision time in a time blocking format is that rising tide. Time blocking at the leadership level is how you decide in advance what deserves your best thinking. And it's as simple as creating time blocks that are dedicated to just making decisions. And if you use the framework I taught in video 3 about how to prioritize, you'll make sure you are spending time on those most critical decisions first. That's yet another way how time blocking helps you take your life back. If you want to learn more about that, you can also check out my book. And now in the next video, I'm going to go over the common criticism of time blocking that keeps people chained to their business. This was video 4 of my time blocking series, and I'll see you in the next one.